Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance required information on your 2022 Toyota Corolla. Hello again. So in today's video, quick short video about how to reset that annoying maintenance required. So all you have to do is turn your key, and then we are going to push this button, which is back, to get into the menu. Then we're gonna use left and right buttons to operate and get to where we have to go. So I'm going to the settings, you can see that wheel, and then we are going to go to vehicle settings. Then I'm gonna hold the OK button. When you hold the button, you get vehicle settings, and then we go to schedule maintenance. You click that schedule maintenance and push to reset. We're gonna go yes, yes, and the reset is complete. You go back, and that's it. Next time when you start the car, everything is gonna go back to how it was before. Alrighty. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.